Calculating the CO2 emissions in a decentralized organization like ours is a tough challenge, but it has given us the insights to be more future-proof with a contribution to sustainability. Group De Cloedt is a group of companies with three major activities. Aggregates is our largest activity. It involves the extractions of marine aggregates by our dredging vessels. The same dredging vessels are used in our second largest activity, being dredging. For example, the beach replenishments to protect our coastlines from storms. Finally, our environmental division is in charge of soil remediation, as well as pioneering in recycling materials.
Group De Cloedt wants to future-proof their business, but also wants to limit their impact as much as possible on people and on nature. Due to a direct question of their stakeholders to be certified with the CO2 performance ladder framework, but also the need to be CSRD compliant in the future, they lacked an overview of what was still missing within their company today. This is why we conducted a gap analysis first to see what is still missing.
We conducted the gap analysis to see where we stood. We have not yet calculated the CO2 impact of all our different activities. Once we had the results of this impact, we could see where we needed efforts to be CSRD compliant and to certify ourselves according to the CO2 performance ladder system. KBC is a very important financial partner for us. In our case, KBC has put Encon forward to help us in our sustainability transition. It is thanks to KBC and Encon that sustainability and CSRD is seeping through into our organization.
At KBC, we attach great importance to businesses being future-proof. So sustainability and a sustainable strategy are very important, and that is why KBC supports its customer beyond the normal bank and insurance products with the collaboration with Encon that supports the customer in the necessary transition.
Once we conducted the gap analysis, it was time to implement the CO2 performance ladder framework. The CO2 performance ladder framework is a framework that helps companies to manage their CO2 emissions. It helps them to reduce their emissions, but also gives them a certificate that they can then use within tendering to get a fractional discount. And this was very important for Group De Cloedt as they remain competitive in that way.
Our biggest challenge is the collaboration between all different entities. We are traditionally a decentralized organization with all entities working autonomously. That's a great asset, but for sustainability you have to work closely together. But with all the right guidance and tools that Encon has provided us, we were able to collect and process all data. Encon thinks in a more pragmatical way. Together with Encon we have set objectives that are sufficiently ambitious but also achievable. Encon really knows the struggles within the sector, but also the specific challenges within Group De Cloedt. This also makes it a start for a new trajectory. And because they already know us, we decided that Encon will guide us through the CSRD journey.
As a relationship manager, it is great to see Group De Cloedt being helped by Encon on their quest towards a sustainable business. The results they achieved together with Encon make them stronger for the future and also for the expectations of the stakeholders, such as financial partners and customers.